Well, first up on the dyno today is this beautiful Sapphire Blue FN2. And you may see in the background that our Dave's picking up his car that's been freshly painted by Uncle Keith's, but that's another story, so check out another video for that. But yeah, let's get this on the dyno and see what she's producing. Well, Richard's favourite colour FN2. I don't know whether that's rare or... They are beautiful. What do you reckon, Rich?
I like the blue.
You do indeed.
I looked at the blue RS5, didn't we?
Yeah.
And was very disappointed with it.
Yeah, blue's a nice colour. Even the Colts look nice in blue.
Yeah, they do. I think blue's a satisfying colour when it's clean.
Yeah.
And obviously you clean it and you polish it and it's got a lot of depth to it. Whereas like black is the ultimate colour, but trouble with black is it doesn't stay looking clean long.
Yeah, you can't.
So like a nice grey, a nice dark grey or a nice dark blue, they stay looking cleaner longer.
Yeah. Well, go jump in it then. Let's see what power it's got. Now the customer thinks that it's underpowered, Richard. So we shall find out. That's what the dyno's for. Well, there she goes, 204 brake horsepower, plenty more in the tank, so we could definitely do something with that. I think a nice Ecutek map from Dynodaze will certainly get us up on power. What a beautiful car on a beautifully sunny Saturday. See you on the next one.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.